In 3 minutes, I'll change this pant into this beautiful skirt with Mali hem, and you requested for this video, yeah? So here it is. You don't even need to be a professional to do this. Just get your scissors and let's begin. So you're going to wear the pant on your body, or you place it on your table. Figure out where you want the length to stop, then cut out the leg part of the trouser. Doing this, you're going to make sure that you place both trousers equally. Make sure that they are equal. Then you cut, either you cut at once or you cut one leg and then place on the other leg and cut out. That's it. Once you're done cutting out, then you get your scissors. Follow everything you see on the screen, okay? Now we're going to cut through the center of our pants. We'll cut through like so. Once you're done cutting, this is exactly what you have. Then you're going to turn this to the wrong side of the chain, and then we're going to stitch down the openings we created. Okay, now you're going to use pin to secure. Make sure that the line is straight because that flappy edge is not straight, so you use your hand to straighten it. I'm using pin because of my newbies. On a normal day, just to take it to the sewing machine and stitch down. So this is what it will look like when you're done pinning. So for the back, pay close attention because the flap of the back is usually longer than that of the front, so it's going to need a little more attention. So what you do now is to get your ruler because that flap is quite bulgy for the back. So we'll use our ruler to get a straight line, and then we'll use our chalk to just rule across. Now once you've done this, you can use your pin to pin up, or you take it to sewing machine and stitch on that straight line. Now this is how the back should look like by the time you're done. We'll go ahead now to the sewing machine and stitch down on those areas we pinned up. Now while stitching down, try your best to make sure your stitches are straight. Yes, because that will help to avoid any or prevent any bulginess on your skirt. Then once you're done, this is what it should look like. It should be as neat as this. Now you're pretty much done with your skirt. What I'll show you now is how to achieve that rough edge at the hem of the skirt. So you're going to turn your skirt to the right part or the right side. Then get your chalk and create any pattern of your choice. So I did like a zigzag design at the hem of the skirt. You don't need any measurement for this, okay? Just draw whatever. You can make your own curve, you can make it sharp, whatever it is you want to do, just do, okay? Be mindful of the length of your skirt though. If your skirt is too short, then you may not want to do any of this. Now finally, you're going to cut the edges of the skirt into bits like this, like you want to notch it. You know what notching means? Just notch round about all those edges you designed. Yes, you can see what I'm doing. Once you've done that, now once you're done, this is what the edges of your skirt should look like. Now you try washing it, like imagine you're washing the skirt or squeeze it, anyone. Just make sure you use a lot of force and do this all round the edges of your skirt, and that's where the magic lies. And this really transformed the skirt from 0 to 100. So I'll be in the comment section. What do you think I should do with this leg part of this pants? Let me hear your suggestion in the comment section. All right, bye.